Yo, guess what?
So we're getting the interior torn apart. We got I was originally gonna, use a forward and reverse gearbox from Kz1000cc Engineering, and it was literally like this big, about 12 or 13 or 14 inches long. So it could have fit really easy. Basically, think of a 24 pack of, pop. So if it could fit like that, and it would have just, chilled right in here and then connected everything and been good to go. Well, now I'm doing a Toyota two-wheel drive transmission, so I'm gonna have a big kind of bell housing and a transmission right here, and then something connecting to it. So that being said, I got a problem. I got to pull all of this stuff out so I can make room for that transmission, and then we can mock it up in place so it is in line with these, the input or the output and the input of the transfer case. So let's get to it. So we got our pillow block, transmission just in the area roughly. I got to get this figured out first before I figure out anything to do with this, okay? But we'll see. So we got our part for our drive line. So that's going to there and that goes there. And we're going to press in the caps. This one's set. So we're gonna get this fully chucked up. I just got it in here right now. I need to tighten it. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna do this up. Oh yeah. Okay, there's that. Okay, that's tight. That's tight. There's that. Okay, as you can see, we got it jigged up. Okay, in our lathe. Now we're gonna turn our power on. Go forward. We're gonna check our run out on this and see roughly what it is. That is, this side is within 4 thousandths. That's pretty good. We're going to check this side. This one's 10 thou. Get another reading. Yeah, 10 thou. That'll work. It ain't that far out. Perfect. So there's that. This is transmission side. This is the side that we're going to be adapting to, because it's easier to adapt to this size. So we got this put together. I'm gonna most likely leave this weight on for now. So I got this set up. Honestly, no clue if it's gonna work, so wish me luck. But I'm gonna try and turn down this chunk of shaft and get it to fit 1 3/4 tube, because right now it is just over 1.5 inches. Hopefully this is our final pass. It's looking like it's pretty damn close. I'll run the emery cloth over it, paper, and we'll see how it fits up. But hopefully this is it. Alright, well, you're going to see in real time if this thing fits or not. So we'll pull it back. I've honestly tried it before. Yeah, because that's something worse. Well, great. Really hoping to get that gone. And that little bit that I took off is literally the amount I needed. So that's beautiful. Well, we can do it again or make it work. And I don't know. So we're machining this piece down a little bit to 1.5 inches inside the diameter. So we can slide this over. Most likely I'm going to chop it off right here, get rid of this chunk, and just use this little piece that I have here. So we'll get that trimmed down and see how it works. Okay, so we're going to test it. And that'll be a nice, perfect press fit. Hell yeah. So, I got the drive line done. This is the part you were seeing turned down in the lathe. It is now really short. This part slides in. I'm going to then drill holes through this, rosé weld them just for extra measure. And that should work, so here we go. That's our front drive line for the output of the motorcycle to our secondary transmission. So let's get to it. That way, if we have to change anything or add, we can. We're gonna double check this. 2.4 on that. Yeah. And hopefully that will be good enough for now. So we got our pillow block support bearing for the shaft of this front output of their secondary transmission, or the little homemade drive line. We're gonna slide that up onto there, put that onto the output or input of the transmission. Okay, that's good to go right there. We're going to pull forward. So there's that. So I'll move you guys right here. Hopefully you can see that. The room in between here, the joint of the drive line is going to be right here. Okay, and then we're going to have an extra, a little bit hanging out, and then it should bolt right in here. So this thing's going to have to be moved back about 3 to 4 inches, but that's okay. All this was pre-plasma cut, so it has grinder and cut off little marks, but I'll redo all these, and I have to redo them anyways because this is clocked down and it needs to be clocked perfectly flat with the chassis. But we got driveline 1 done, so that's a really good thing actually. Step 1 done, and that just means everything else is going to be basically from here on out pretty straightforward. So hell yeah.